Hey everyone, so imagine if you could toss your laptop, walk around with just your phone, and still get a full-on desktop experience whenever you want. Sounds wild, right? Well, Samsung might finally be making this dream come true with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's DeX mode, and it's looking like it might finally have what it takes to edge out the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's talk about why this one feature might just be the game changer Samsung needs. Introducing the Kokushu X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel-ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Kokushu, charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at kokushu.co. Let's back to our video. If you haven't heard of DeX before, it's Samsung's desktop mode that's supposed to let your phone double as a computer. And if Samsung upgrades it for the S25 Ultra, it could be the reason to skip the iPhone this year. Now let's be real, DeX has been around for a while, since 2017 actually, but here's the problem. Despite a few updates, it's mostly just existed. It's like Samsung forgot it was even there. But if Samsung gives DeX the major overhaul it deserves, it could finally close that gap between your phone and a full desktop experience. Picture this. You're at a cafe, you whip out your Galaxy S25 Ultra, hook it up to a portable monitor or a TV, and bam, you've got a fully interactive desktop right there. No need for a heavy laptop. And with touchscreen support, it can feel like a giant tablet. I mean, who wouldn't want that? Now here's where it could get really interesting, the S Pen. Right now, the S Pen is mostly a fancy stylus, which is great, don't get me wrong, but what if it could become the control tool for DeX, much like how Apple uses hand gestures for their Vision Pro? Imagine navigating your desktop screen with a flick of the S Pen, scrolling or zooming just by waving it in the air. That would take things to a whole new level. No need for a separate mouse, just your S Pen doing all the work. Imagine how smooth and futuristic that could feel. Alright, so why does this matter? Well, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, as amazing as it is, doesn't even come close to offering this kind of desktop functionality. And honestly, this could be Samsung's big chance to set itself apart. While Apple keeps focusing on incremental updates, Samsung has this golden opportunity with DeX to completely change the way we use our phones. And hey, let's be honest, we're all looking for that one device that does everything. It's like when smartphones replaced MP3 players, cameras, GPS systems. The list goes on. We're craving multifunctional devices, and with a souped-up DeX on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung could finally be giving us a phone that replaces our laptops too. But here's the catch. Samsung can't afford to mess this up. They need to make DeX intuitive, powerful, and just easy to use. If they miss this shot, they're just giving Apple more time to catch up and maybe even release their own version of a desktop mode iPhone. Imagine that. So Samsung, if you're listening, please don't overlook DeX this time. We're ready for it. Show us that a phone can really be everything we need. Alright, tech fans, now I want to hear from you. What do you think? Does a fully upgraded DeX mode make the Galaxy S25 Ultra more appealing than the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Would you ditch your laptop for a phone that doubles as a desktop? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and hey, if you found this video helpful or just plain interesting, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and ring the bell so you won't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the latest in tech. Peace.